Yes, people copy each other, but for God's sake, give credit where it's due. Listen, someone has to talk about it. It's absolutely fine to get inspired by other creators and copy their work. I've done it, you probably done it, half of Etsy works on that business model. But for God's sake, credit the author of the original work. So today we're looking at two almost identical projects from two YouTube woodworkers. One openly tells you where the idea came from, where the other conveniently forgotten about this part. I'll let you guess who did what. So, to keep things fair, I'm also copying something from Etsy because apparently that's what successful people do these days. On top of that, I'm not making one, but two projects you can copy and sell. And that's if you somehow gonna be better than other 100 Etsy sellers selling similar thing. Let's cut the bullshit and get to work. Let's get it done. Starting with a book page holder from a channel called From the Pallet Shed. Video released in 2024, around 8,000 views. A solid number for a smaller channel. We're building ours using glued scrap pieces, which should hopefully give the final product a somewhat unique finish. Emphasis on hopefully. The author was kind enough to provide a link to the original template he used. Genuinely handy and refreshing level of generosity for the internet. Tool requirements are minimal, which is always welcome. I'll be using my bandsaw and pillar drill, but a cordless drill and a jigsaw should get the job done perfectly well. Probably. Three identical holes, as straight as you can manage, and your best friend here is 1-inch Forstner bit. 3 holes, 1 bit, 0 excuses. Straightforward enough even by my standards. Cut the shape out following the template lines. Straightforward enough. Just take it slow, because some of these parts are very thin and snapping them at this stage would be both avoidable and deeply frustrating. Get it sanded, get it finished, and we're moving straight on to YouTuber number 2. No time to waste, and frankly the sanding speaks for itself at this point. YouTuber number 2. Over 200,000 subscribers. Last time I featured him, he filed a copyright claim for using his thumbnail. We're calling him Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Jeff has provided a nicely branded document, logo and everything. Very professional. Whether the ideas inside are entirely his original work is a question I'll diplomatically leave for you to answer in the comments. For now, let's pick one and try it ourselves. Not much to add here, as the process is almost identical to the Pallet Shed video from 2024. There is slightly more bandsaw action and less Forstner bit involved, if that makes any meaningful difference to anyone. It probably doesn't, but I mention it anyway. Since this part of the build is admittedly less exciting than what came before, I'll use this moment to ask a small favor. Almost 80% of you watching are not subscribed, which I find both impressive and slightly hurtful. It costs nothing, I promise. No coffee required, no dinner invitation necessary. Just one click. Subscribe now and I'll make absolutely sure the next video is even better. We'll laugh, we'll build things, it'll be great. Probably. So this is apparently the easiest and fastest way to make money in woodworking. The amount? Roughly $5 a piece. Craft shows are the recommended venue because Etsy has already been absolutely buried under 2 million of these. Retire early stuff right there. I think I can find projects that are just as easy and significantly less soul-destroying to copy. Challenge accepted. You're genuinely not going to believe this, but this is currently one of the best-selling rustic products in the UK on Etsy. A pallet board plank. Cut into smaller pieces, pretending to be a plant shelf. That's it. That's the entire product. We're absolutely building this. It does feel like a bit of a waste putting this beautifully glued board into what is essentially a fancy pallet plank. But the goal is making it look more valuable than the original, and that requires decent material. Different style, haven't seen it done before, could be a bestseller or could be a complete disaster. Either way, it'll make great content. I had to compress a lot here because the entire thing takes about 15 minutes to make, which is fine, except apparently it sells for about $15 plus shipping. 15 minutes, $15. I've seen some interesting profit claims on this channel, but this one is genuinely in a league of its own. Absolutely insane, and I mean that in the most neutral way possible. Genuinely curious what you think about this one. Is it even worth attempting to sell something like this on Etsy, or is the market just too far gone at this point? And if any of you have actually tried something similar, I'd love to hear how that went. Comment section is open and waiting. Be honest, I can take it. Final project done. Music on, commentary off. The only thing worth mentioning is that this took only about 15 minutes, and a smaller version is currently selling well on Etsy for $10 plus shipping. $10, 15 minutes. I have nothing more to add. Enjoy the music. You should know the drill by now. Likes and comments are free and shouldn't even require a second thought at this point. Hope you enjoyed this one and make sure to check out these videos next. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.